Hi guys, I thought I would make things a little easier for you and I would show you where you can find the book, which is here, the House on Mango Street Resources. Here is a link to the book, or here is where you can view it downloaded. I'm going to read the 2 chapters for today, just so you can hear me reading. I know some of you like that. So here we go. Boys and girls. The boys and the girls live in separate worlds. The boys in their universe and we in ours. My brother, for example. They've got plenty to say to me and Nenny inside the house. But outside, they can't be seen talking to girls. Carlos and Kiki are each other's best friends, not ours. Nenny is too young to be my friend. She's just my sister, and that was not my fault. You don't pick your sisters, you just get them, and sometimes they come like Nenny. She can't play with those Vargas kids, or she'll turn out just like them. And since she comes right after me, she is my responsibility. Someday, I will have a best friend all my own, one I can tell my secrets to, one who will understand my jokes without having to explain them. Until then, I am a red balloon, a balloon tied to an anchor. My name. In English, my name means hope. In Spanish, it means too many letters. It means sadness. It means waiting. It is like the number 9, a muddy color. It is the Mexican records my father plays on Sunday mornings when he is shaving, songs like sobbing. It was my great-grandmother's name, and now it is mine. She was a horsewoman, too, born like me in the Chinese year of the horse, which is supposed to be bad luck if you're born female. But I think this is a Chinese lie because the Chinese, like the Mexicans, don't like their women strong. My great-grandmother, I would have liked to have known her. A wild horse of a woman. So wild she wouldn't marry. Until my great-grandfather threw a sack over her head and carried her off, just like that, as if she were a fancy chandelier. That's the way he did it. And the story goes she never forgave him. She looked out the window her whole life, the way so many women sit their sadness on an elbow. I wonder if she made the best with what she got, or was she sorry because she couldn't be all the things she wanted to be? Esperanza. I have inherited her name, but I don't want to inherit her place by the window. At school, they say my name funny, as if the syllables were made out of tin and hurt the roof of your mouth. But in Spanish, my name is made out of a softer something, like silver, not quite as thick as my sister's name, Magdalena, which is uglier than mine. Magdalena, who can at least come home and become Nenny. But I am always Esperanza. I would like to baptize myself under a new name. A name more like the real me, the one nobody sees. Esperanza, or Lysandra, or Maritza, or Zizi the X. Yes, something like Zizi the X will do.